Once again, my name is Eric with CNN Construction here at Mr. Hoover's residence, 8025 South Kildare Avenue, Chicago, Illinois.
Garage.
Now I'm at the garage. I already did the house already, so this is the garage portion now. This is 2 different shingles. I'm gonna attempt to repair this one as well. That's the damaged one. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take these shingles off. Look for the gotta love repairs. Go. Good old repairs. There we go. That was easy. Old shingle, new shingle now. The new one. Slide that bad boy in there. There we go. Yeah, it's not really. No. Put these bad boys back in. It's starting to rain. Gotta hurry up. And the last one. There we go. Now, as you see me attempting to repair, look at this. Shingles are cracking, causing the rest of the roof to crease. And cracked shingles is going to jeopardize the rest of this garage roof, doing the repair and repair. Therefore, we're asking for a full roof replacement for the garage and the home. Also, just the matting is, look at all this. So please take your time to review this video. Thank you very much. Here we go.